All right, so now we're going to take a look at markups. And our learning goal, I can solve percent problems involving markups. So markups are used to help make a profit. And so what it means is you are going to sell an item for more money than you bought the item for. And that way you pay yourself back for the item and you make a little bit extra. So it says list some items that are continually being marked up or marked down. So what I want you to do is take a moment and think of things that you see in everyday life that either are marked up or marked down, and pause the video and write those down. So for me, when I think of markups and markdowns, I think of clothing stores, and I think of electronics, I think of food. Everything can be marked up or marked down. Anything that is sold can be marked up or marked down. And so there's no wrong answers there. But we're going to take a look at how to show a markup. So it says that the price was $4, but we're going to mark it up by 5%. That way you make back your $4, but also you'll make some extra money too. This is very similar to what we just did. So again, we are going to look for our part, and we're given our percent, so we're going to divide that by 100, which means that we move that decimal 2 places, and we fill in that empty space with a 0. So my percent turned as a decimal is 0.05, and then I'm going to multiply that times my original price that I bought the item for. So I'm going to do 0.05 times $4, and I get 0.2, which is 2/10, which is the same as 20 cents. So P equals 0.20, so that's 20 cents. And to get my markup, I add this to my original price. So I'm going to take that $4 and I'm going to add that to my 20 cents. And I get a price of $4.20. So I'm selling the item for $4.20, even though it only cost me $4 to purchase. But this way I make an extra 20 cents for each item that I sell. So again, we're going to do the same thing. So I have my part equals, I'm going to move that decimal 2 places over, so 0.12 times my original price, which is $8.25. So I'm going to do 0.12 times $8.25, and I get 99 cents. So my part equals 99 cents, and I'm going to add this to my original. So $8.25 plus 99 cents gives you $9.24.